What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to be explaining how you can make a lot of money from the holidays. I'm going to tell you how this works, why this works, and how you can make it work for you. Now before I jump into this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel and comment I subscribe so you can learn how to be more successful. I have spent several years getting to the point I'm at, so I can help you get to the point you're at. So what you're going to be doing for this is pretty much selling holiday products, and as simple as this sounds, it's going to work because this is the time of the year that everyone is getting excited. Everyone is buying new things, all for the same thing at the same time, the holidays. And that's where you're going to make a lot of money. Because even if you only offer a few products, you can still make a bunch of sales off of those few products. And if you really have time, then you can go all out into it and create a full store with a lot of things to jump out at people to get them really excited over your store. Now, two critical things you can do to make this work for you is by advertising it the right way. Because not only can you get a lot of products by throwing yourself out there, but you can also learn the best marketing strategies to get your post on the product really out there. Because think of how much more money you can make if the post you made on the product ends up going viral and really gets out there to people, because now you have all these people excited, and at the same time, on top of it, you're really getting that post out there. And by combining advertising and learning how to get the post out there, it could really result in a lot of traffic to your sales. Now, not only by marketing the right way, but you can also bring your store to many different places by selling on many different websites, because the more people you're bringing yourself to is the higher chance of sales that you're going to pretty much have. And to help you even further, some of the best websites you can sell are places like Amazon, Facebook Marketplace, Etsy, eBay, and if you want to look even further into it, you could look up and find tons of websites that you could sell on and make tons of sales on. Now, if you don't know what things to be making or want to know the best or hottest things you can sell on the holidays, then keep watching, because that's exactly what I am about to get into. But before I get into that, I want to mention the two types of products I'm going to be talking about. Because one of the products will guaranteed make you more money, because this product is anything custom compared to an original product. So for example, if I ordered something with my name on it, and doing this is important because it then makes the product personal to that person. So anyway, here are the 7 great ideas of things you can sell for the holidays. Number 1, ornaments, and this is also one of the things that you can make custom for people to get a lot more money than the original product. Number 2, jewelry, and this is another something you can find ways to make custom. Number 3, coasters. Number 4, candles. Number 6, soap. And lastly, number 7, holiday cards, which is something very unique because it's already a custom product. Now this list can go on and on forever, so if you want more ideas, there's plenty of information out there to look up. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to be more successful in life, be sure to subscribe to Business Edition, where we are constantly posting the greatest ways for you to reach your highest achievements.